Hey there, boaters. This is Alexander with Yacht Network by United City Yachts. Today, for a lot of you regulars, probably already know, but I'm at Oak Bay Marina yet again. They do love me here, but I think they're starting to get tired of me. I got one more boat to show before I heading out. It's a little island trader, Chesapeake Marine design, built here in Canada to a really high degree. It's fully made out of aluminum and completely overbuilt for the Pacific Northwest. There's a lot of cool stuff to go through on this boat. It's keel cooled, low hours. And heck, I'm excited to show you guys. So strap in, grab a drink, do whatever you need to do, get comfortable. We're gonna go through the entire boat. And if you have any questions, I'll leave my contact information below, and looking forward to getting you aboard real soon. Well, thanks for your time, guys, and for taking this tour of this really cool island trader model. If you have any questions about the boat or would like to book your own personal tour, please give me a call at 778-966-1543 or alexander.langley@yachtnetwork.com. All right, boaters, we'll see you on the water real soon.